Following compute allowable depreciation under section 32 for the assessment year 1920. Original cost of plant and machinery on 1st April 2018 18 lakh. WDV of the plant and machinery on 1st April 2018 11 lakh. So original cost given, WDV given. So with which information shall we start the sum? We shall obviously start the sum with the information of WDV. Original cost is not required. Opening original cost is not required. So WDV as on 1st April 2018, how much? 11 lakh. Okay. And purchases during the year. Let us check for the purchases. Additions to the plant and machinery 3 lakh, out of which plant and machinery costing 1 lakh, purchased on 15/10/2018. Since 3, how much is the total purchase? 3 lakh. Okay, total purchase is 3 lakh, out of which 1 lakh purchased on 15th October 2018. That means used for less than 180 days, because if you calculate November, December, January, February, March, 5 months, taking 30 days on average, 150 days, 2-3 days more, 153 days. Okay, and 15 days over here, 15 days over here. So obviously it will not come to 180 days, more than 180 days. So it's obviously less than 180 days. So on 1 lakh, out of this 3 lakh, 1 lakh ka asset is used for less than 180 days, and so depreciation will be half year depreciation. And 2 lakhs ka asset has been put to use for more than 180 days, and entire depreciation will be charged on it. So purchases during the year, here will not make any bifurcation. Here we'll simply write 3 lakh and it's coming to 14 lakh. Less sales consideration. Sales consideration is how much? Sale proceed of the machinery rupees 1 lakh. Okay, sale proceeds of the machinery is rupees 1 lakh. Originally it was bought on 1st July 2016, means 2 years back. 1st July 2 years back for rupees 1 lakh 40, and WDV on 1/4/2018 was 1 lakh 1,500. So out of this 11 lakh ka WDV, this is my opening WDV including as many asset as I have in the block. Out of this, one asset whose WDV is 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 1, how much? 1 lakh 1,150 got sold for rupees 1 lakh. Fine. So here I have got 13 lakhs as my WDV before charging depreciation. This is my WDV before depreciation. Now they have asked us from the following compute allowable depreciation. So we have to calculate depreciation only. We don't need to calculate closing WDV. Depreciation 13 lakh left. Make 2 bifurcations. First, do away with the new purchase, that is 3 lakhs. Okay. Out of this 3 lakh, first do away with a new purchase 3 lakh, then we will be solving with, then we will be dealing with the remaining 10 lakhs. Okay. Now this 3 lakh has some more bifurcations. Out of this 3 lakh, 1 lakh ka machine was used for less than 180 days. I am showing it over here. My total WDV before depreciation is 13 lakh. Divide 3 lakh new purchased, old WDV 10 lakh. Okay, this 10 lakh is used for more than 180 days. Out of this 3 lakh, we have 1 lakh machine which is used for less than 180 days, and we have 2 lakh machine which is used for more than 180 days. So what is the value of the asset which is used for more than 180 days? 10 lakh plus 2 lakh, and machine which is used for less than 180 days is only 1 lakh. Okay. So here we write 1 lakh into 15% into half plus 12 lakh into 15%. It will come to, it is coming to 1,87,500. We are not doing addition depreciation over here in spite of the fact that we have new purchases during the year. So you must know this for the exam purpose, that when it will be written specifically over here that it is a manufacturing organization, from the following compute additional allowable depreciation. If it will be written over here, in case of from the following information of a manufacturing concern compute allowable depreciation, then if it is specifically written manufacturing concern, then we will go for additional depreciation, otherwise not. Okay. And one more thing here, this information that the machine that got sold for rupees 1 lakh has a WDV of 1,150,000 as on 1/4/2008 is of no significance. Okay. So this kind of additional informations will be given in the sum which will have no value, but you have to understand what informations to consider and what not to. Okay. Hopefully the sum is clear.